say hello, everybody. Been a hot minute. Say hi. Hi. So, we are getting there with the renovation. We had like a 1.5, maybe 2 week break. The sink that we bought was 40 centimeters wide and it's a pretty standard sink size. But because our cabinetry is so small, we had to order a smaller sink. The only place I could find a small sink was online. That's finally come, so now Jordan's doing a lot of the plumbing. This afternoon is the shower, so I'll show you. So we're gonna salvage this frame, but Jordan's gonna be pulling out all of the plastic. He's got to cap off the pipes here, and they will eventually need to be extended slightly. Tile all in here. We've got a new shower head and we've got new taps for the shower. We're just gonna leave them as two like hot and cold taps because it's just too much mucking around with the plumbing to turn it into a mixer and it's not worth it. I'm gonna finish putting first coat on here. Jordan's gonna come back and patch the plaster, and then I'm gonna do another 2 coats on top of that. Can you tell us what's new?
The sink is pretty special.
Oh.
I love it so much. I also love it how it drips water when it's off.
Oh.
They use different lights.
Are you going to be able to brush your teeth in there?
Yeah. And I love this flame, but still like this.
So I've now got 1 coat on the painting, except apparently I missed there.
How the heck do you do that?
I don't know.
I need a kombucha.
The kombucha. They're the caps.
Yep. So I can go turn the back on.
What are you most excited about this bathroom?
Getting this mold out. Look. Disgusting.
What's wrong with the shower?
Okay.
Broken?
That's the new shower, Solly.
We're going to leave it like that and have showers in there.
Cool. What do you think?
You want to have a shower in there?
Like that?
Yeah, I'll shower it.
Alright, go in.
I'll
No, don't tell me that.
Don't go in there, you crazy? So Jordan is just trying to clean the shower base. He's just tired up behind the shower, and the shower base was really gross, so he's just getting all the old silicone out and giving it a clean, which is exciting.
Bought a new one.
Note to self, spend the money and just buy a new one next time. So the bathroom walls are painted. I need to do a coat on the windowsill, and Jordan's about to do a bunch of siliconing. So our shower spindles have arrived, and this is it. What's left to do? Door, door back on here, and we're gonna clean in all in here and clean up this whole shower screen. Put the shower head and the taps on. Oh yeah, we're putting some shelves above the toilet here. So we have been waiting for this parcel so that we can finish our shower, so that we can shower in our shower. How many times can you say shower in one sentence? I don't know. Finish the plumbing, this is all pretend at the moment. And then hook up the shower. So like I said, with these pipes, They need to be extended because beforehand it was just a thin piece of plastic, and now it's a 15mm tile. So this is our shower head, fresh out of the box. It has been so hard to find towel rails, but I have found this one. It's a non-heated one. It's actually cheaper to buy heated ones these days. It is $199. So I have put an offer on it. So we'll see if they accept a lower price. How's that?
Amazing.
Trying to clean the shower or praying. So our towel rail has just arrived. So Jordan is currently doing the floating shelves in the ensuite, which has been long awaited, and a lot's happened since then, including this little fella is now on the outside, aren't you?
You make that double the length. What are you actually going to put on there?
Pot plants, a picture, some smelly things.
So 20 pictures, 20 pot plants and 20 smelly things to fill that out.